Tony, and I know this must be confusing for you, but we can't do this no more.
What's your name?
Maureen Campbell. And you are Tony Ann Campbell. We give you my last name.
What kind of proof you have to say you're my mother?
This is me and my mother. Your granny. And this one is me and you in the hospital.
Why grandma would have tell me say you're dead?
Because me tell her to tell you that.
What? Why?
Tonya, we have to talk out here, sir.
Come. You know, sir, I will eat this for digest though.
Tonya, I couldn't do this no more. Knowing that I'm alive and you think me dead.
So what caused you to tell my granny to say you're dead?
For your own protection. Trust me.
For my protection? Why that want sound like you don't want to take responsibility for what you do?
Tonya, me get pregnant for the man who work. And his wife with a plan to kill you and me if me never hide you. I hide myself. So I leave you with your grandmother. And for your own protection, trust me.
So what my father? In my life too?
No, Tonya. Kill himself. Let me tell you now. I'm sorry if I just throw down all this for you one time. But you just couldn't live with it no more. You need if you know say you have a mother. And if you need anything, I'm there for you. I don't want nothing from you. But just there for you, alright? You have my number. Call me if you need me, alright?
Come on. How are you going?
Whisper, I can't tell you all of this right now. I feel wait till it digest a little bit.
Yeah. I find the perfect person who can do it for you. Yeah, man. Oh, good. Good.